Hey everyone, it's Maya and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very exciting video for you guys. I have an unboxing from the Coach outlet, and one of the items is from their new Signature Rivets collection. So I'm really excited for that. So let's just jump right into it. Okay, so this is what they shipped it in. Just gonna rip it open. And it literally came open right here. Just like ripped. One item, the second item. So let's do smallest to biggest. So here, as you can probably tell, this is a corner zip wristlet from the Coach outlet. Oops. Ooh. So I'm sure you guys have already seen this before, but this is the corner zip wristlet in the lip print. And if you didn't know, this lip print was originally at the Coach retail store, but they recently just brought it to the Coach outlet so we could get a little taste of it. And they put it on the wristlet. And this is my second corner zip wristlet from the Coach outlet. The first one is the red signature patent leather one. So this is my second one. So I'm really excited I was able to get this. And I got it during the extra 20% off. Or something like that. I don't know. I got it for like $31, I think. Which to me is a little much for how small it is compared to the retail wristlet, but I just couldn't pass on this lip print. So I ended up getting it. So it's chalk pebbled leather, and then it has different lips in red, light pink, and purple. And then it has the gold Coach, and the back is the same. Has the chalk wristlet. And the inside has 2 card slots. It could fit things like pens or like a lip gloss. If you have a small phone, it could probably fit in here. But yeah, so excited that I have this. So happy. Next up is the second item. Really excited for this one. It's my first time seeing this in person. OMG! Oh my gosh. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. This is beautiful. Y'all. Coach snapped. Coach outlet snapped on this Nolita 19. Stop. And then to top it off, it has the gold chain strap. Stop. Coach snapped. Coach snapped. Stop. Pink. So this is the Nolita 19 with signature rivets in the color Pink Petal. OMG. And I'm so happy I got it because currently this color is sold out for the Nolita 19s. They have this Signature Rivets style with the Nolita 19 in the pink petal, the black with silver C's, and they have it in the emerald green with silver also. So this was the only Nolita that had the gold hardware, and I'm so happy I got it before it sold out. They're probably gonna restock it, but I'm so happy I just pulled the trigger, because usually I wait for a long time before I finally decide to like buy something. But I'm so glad I did not wait for this. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I can't stop saying that. Okay, let's go on the inside. And the inside is pink too. Stop. Oh my gosh. The inside is pink. Has the 2 card slots on this side. OMG. This is beautiful. Like, it is just beautiful. It just has all the C's and the gold rivets. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. This is literally gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna stop saying that, okay? But yeah, this is it. So these are the 2 big items I got recently from the Coach outlet. The Nolita 19 and the corner zip wristlet. Okay, so I tried to see if the corner zip wristlet fits in the Nolita 19, and it actually does. The only kind of bad part about it, it fits, but the wristlet strap, this little bump here where it connects, kind of makes it a little hard to zip it up, but it actually does fit inside the Nolita 19. But yeah, so the Nolita 19, I typically use it as a shoulder bag. So the strap that comes on the Nolita 19 is a little short. Like, my arm isn't that big, so it does fit. It could fit just with the strap itself. However, I do add like a little short chain extender that matches the gold strap that I got from Amazon, and I just connect it to this hook part in order to make it into a longer chain strap so it fits more comfortably on my shoulder. So, and then also you could just let the chain dangle and then connect a long gold crossbody strap to this and wear it crossbody. So I love this. I love it so much. Okay, so I also got a few more little small accessories from the Coach outlet. The first up are these earrings. They're like silver huggy earrings. So they're silver. They're like small silver hoops, and then they have this little stud hanging off of them, and it says Coach on the top and bottom of the stone. And they're so cute. I don't have any earrings like this. Like, I have studs and then I have hoops, but I don't have kind of like dangly drop earrings. And so I figured this would be a great addition to my jewelry collection. If I want something, like, I want to be more dressy and I don't just want to wear a plain hoop, you know? So this kind of adds like a combination of a stud and a hoop together. So I thought this was really cute. And secondly, this is a jewelry item from Coach outlet that I have been looking at for a really long time, and I finally just decided to pull the trigger when they were having like the 20% off sale. And so this is a necklace from the Coach outlet, and it is their like lock and key necklace. It is gorgeous, gorgeous. So it has like the gold lock, and then it has a C for Coach in silver, and then it also has a silver key. that's connected to it. And this is it's an adjustable chain, so it's 16 inches and then you can add 2 inches, so 16 to 18 inches long. And the lock is pretty big. Like, this is not really a small pendant at all. I'm so happy I finally got this, because I've literally, when I tell you, I've been probably looking at this necklace since like the beginning of this year, and I just finally was like, okay, let me just get this necklace. Let me just finally get it. Okay, and the very last thing that I bought from the Coach outlet is, you guys already know, you already saw the maple mini rowan, but this is the maple signature skinny scarf. And I just tied it onto my maple rowan, mini rowan, and I just thought it would be the perfect accessory. So cute. Yeah, it's both of these, so the mini rowan's in the maple, this scarf is in the maple, and it just really accessorizes it and just makes it look real cute, you know, makes it a little extra, you know. It brings it up a notch, It goes from basic to fabulous. But yeah, so beautiful. And they have this scarf in a bunch of colors as well, but I'm so glad I was able to get it in the maple, because I think the maple is now sold out online too, so I may have got the last one in maple. I'm so glad I got it. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this Coach outlet unboxing. I know it was probably kind of short, and it consisted of a few small things. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Have you gotten anything recently from the Coach outlet? Leave it in the comment section below. And how do you feel about the new Signature Rivets collection? I love it. It's so gorgeous. But yeah, let me know your opinions and your thoughts below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so that you're notified every single time I post a video. And have a great day. Bye.